So I was scrolling on Run Run Coupon Deals website and I saw this little fancy incense waterfall, and I thought it was pretty cool, so I wanted to use it. I like to get those smells in my house to get blended because I do a lot of cooking, so getting that cooking smell out of my house is awesome. So let's try out this incense waterfall. Okay, we have it lit. Oh, look. Cool. Look. It's seeping on out, and it's starting to make that cool waterfall. So this is what it looks like at first. So don't get discouraged, because I was like, I don't think this is done right, but it's come along. All right, here's another view of it. As you see, the waterfall is coming down right into that pond. Oh, I like it. It looks so cute. Getting that aroma in. I just got finished cooking some seafood, so it's getting that seafood odor out. Awesome. So this was about $22 on Amazon, but with Run Run coupon deals, I got this half off. So I got it for about $11 with some change and some tax and shipping and handling, of course. But again, it is worth it. Half off using Run Run coupon deals. Check them out. Hey y'all, yes, again, I want to say I really love that incense waterfall, and if I was you, I would go ahead and purchase that item too. Make sure you get the Run Run coupon deal so you can get it half off. With that being said, I'll see you next